Hey everybody, Marcel here at Tyger Auto. And today we're going to be showcasing our brand new running board series called the Tyger Trax on a Toyota Tacoma. These Nerf bar style steps are made out of 2 carbon steel tubes that form a parallel track that are also finished off with Tyger's signature E-coating. The steps are super strong and stylish and will allow you and your passenger a place to step with confidence. So without further ado, let's get started with the install. Like most of Tyger's running boards, installation is super simple, so let's have a look. Before we start, go over the installation manual to make sure that all the parts are accounted for and lay out the brackets to see if the letters used to match are with their locations. We start off with the driver's side rocker panel. ID the front mounting location right here and install the front bracket like this. A useful tip is to keep the brackets loose until we make the final adjustment and the step is attached. Now we move to the center location and go ahead and install the center bracket as well. After that, find the rear mounting location and install the rear bracket. After we're done with the brackets, take the driver's side track and attach it to the brackets. Start leveling and adjusting the step and tighten all the hardware once you're happy with the alignment. Now do the same for the passenger side step and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so we can bring you more Tyger product demos.